An RIT professor has created an online network that's helping hundreds of people with physical disabilities around the world. Allison Orlean joins us now with the details.
Rachel, Dr. Jon Schull has helped create a revolutionary and cost-effective device that's changing the lives of hundreds of people around the world. With the help of 3D printing, Dr. Schull and his team created prosthetic hands and arms. He was inspired by an online video he saw where a South African carpenter who had lost his fingers in an accident created and used a crude hand. He decided to perfect it. Schull helped create an online organization called eNABLE, connecting volunteers like himself who make the prosthetic limbs and people in need of prosthetic arms and legs worldwide.
So all I did was I put a comment on that YouTube video saying, if you have a printer and you want to help, put yourself on this Google map that I've made. And if you need a hand, put yourself on this Google map that I've made. And people started putting themselves on the map. I thought they would find each other, and they did, but they also started calling me, saying, now what do we do? And so we created a Google Plus community.
And that community is growing by the minute. Today, they are up to 2,600 members. Coming up tonight at 5, an RIT student is living his own dream through Dr. Jon Schull's network, lending a helping hand to those in need.
An RIT professor has created an online network that's exploding. It's called eNABLE, and it's helping the physically disabled people all over the world. The network connects people who need less expensive prosthetic limbs with experts who create them. They use 3D printers to build the prosthetic hands and arms. Then they give their creations to those in need for free.
This was my dream. This is why I became a biomedical engineering student. So I just saw my dream coming true, so I decided to start working here.
We're now beginning to talk to organizations from around the world who say it's great what you're doing for, little kids in stable families, but what about earthquake victims? What about landmine victims? What about people involved in conflict zones? And we're preparing to become advisors to those international aid groups.
Right now, the eNABLE organization is all volunteers, and that community is growing by the minute. Today, they are up to 2,600 members. Pretty neat. 5:30.